Well, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the display language of a Ford Focus C-Max 2005 model and some other options. We're going to go through the options of this car. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 300 other videos on how to reset certain stuff of different model cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, so we had a customer who was asking for the display language. She accidentally changed it and didn't know how to change it back, and I had to figure it out for myself because I didn't know also. It's very easy. Just use the left thumbstick over here, this one. You have a turn wheel over here. Turn it up and you'll see your settings. It says you have to press the set or the preset button, this button. Once you are here, the display shows the language, and you change the language by pressing it to the desired language. So let's say I want to change it to Dutch. Just find the Dutch language over here and leave it, and you can turn this on this wheel and you'll see that the language has changed to the desired language. Some other stuff I want to show you is, first of all, turn the ignition off. Then you can see some options of this car by turning on this wheel. This is the outside temperature, distance till empty tank, and some cool stuff by turning on this wheel. So I would recommend to check it for yourself. That was it for today. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you like, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.